Giraffe is the easier starting point for beginners because you can earn rewards by playing eligible mobile games, while Blackout Bingo requires you to learn a competitive bingo system before cash matches become useful. By the end, you'll know which app is simpler to start, how each one pays, and what to consider before choosing between them. Giraffe uses a play and earn model. You select games available through the app, play them, and collect gems from qualifying activity. Those gems can be exchanged for rewards including PayPal cash and gift cards. Giraffe advertises a $0.20 minimum PayPal cash out. That gives beginners a relatively low starting threshold, although the exact rewards and requirements can change. The other advantage is the financial setup. Giraffe doesn't require you to enter a cash competition to start earning through its reward system. Your main commitment is the time you spend completing eligible activities. Blackout Bingo works differently. It is a skill-based bingo game where you compete against other players. Free matches can be used to learn the gameplay, while cash matches can involve entry fees and real money prizes where available. That makes Blackout Bingo more complicated for a first-time user. You need to understand the bingo mechanics, how scoring works, how cash matches operate, and whether cash competitions are available in your location. The competitive format can also change the risk. With Giraffe, you aren't paying an entry fee for a bingo match. With Blackout Bingo, a paid cash match can require an entry amount, and losing the match can mean losing that entry. So the better beginner app depends on what you actually want to do. Choose Giraffe. If you want a straightforward reward system where you play eligible games and build toward a redemption, choose Blackout Bingo if you already enjoy bingo and want to compete against other players for cash prizes. There is also a difference in how predictable the experience feels. Giraffe rewards qualifying activity, while Blackout Bingo depends on competitive performance. Neither model guarantees a specific income. Before using Giraffe, check the current game offers, reward requirements, and withdrawal options. Before using Blackout Bingo for real money, check cash match availability, entry fees, prize structures, and withdrawal rules in your location. For most beginners, Giraffe is the simpler first app because there is less to learn and no cash match entry requirement. Blackout Bingo is the better fit for someone who specifically wants competitive bingo. The practical next step is to start with the free features rather than paying for a cash competition immediately. That lets you understand how the app works before committing money or significant time. If this comparison helped, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 earning app comparisons.